Hello guys, how to fix error HTTP error 503. The server is unavailable in 6 tips. Let's try these 6 tips. The first one is to refresh the page. Like this one here, this is the error. Refresh, just refresh this kit like this, okay, or here, or control and F5. So refreshing the page. If it's not work, let's go to the next one. The next one is check if the site is down for everyone or just for you using this website. It's a very great website. Copy this link which is not working and go to the website here, this one, and paste here and then search. So it's just you. So this app is working good, but it's just for you, only for you. So you could try the next one. What's the next one? To restart your router, just stop your router, plug out the electricity and then return, restart your router, okay? Then the first one is browser cache and the cookie. Clear the browser cache and the cookies. So you have to clear here, clear browser cache and cookies. Here there is more tools. Or here from the setting, okay, and from the setting search for clear